Hello, my fellow mathematicians. Welcome back again to another episode of Solving Mathematics with your one and only Mr. Excel. As usual, like, share, and comment. Without wasting much of your time, we have a question on the board in which we need to solve. On the board, you have given that A is equal to 2 over 3 and B is equal to minus 6. Evaluate AB minus B over A. Now, this is very simple. How do we do this? Very simple. First of all, we need to substitute, replace. Means that anywhere you see your A, replace it with 2 over 3. And anywhere you see your B, replace it with minus 6. Now, on the board, you have your AB. AB minus B over A. Your A is 2 over 3, which means 2 over 3 times your B minus 6. Now, you put your sign. Your B is also minus 6. Whenever two signs are coming together, please do well to separate them with brackets. You see it now? Whenever two signs are coming together, separate them with what? Bracket. Then you have your over. What is your A? Your A is 2 over 3. Now we've substituted. What should we do? We need to cancel out. Now when you get to this, 3 and go into minus 6. 3 here is 1. 3 here is what? Minus 2. You see it now? And now you have 2 times minus 2 give us minus 4. And here you have minus times minus is what? Plus 6. Then you have it all over 2 over what? 3. Now we need to rearrange this again. How do we rearrange it? When you look at the board, it will have minus 4 plus 6 divided. This over here, you reduce this to the division sign. Then you have your 2 over 3 coming down. Now we need to balance this. To balance the whole of this, we put over 1 over 1. You see now, we've balanced the fraction. The fraction is now balanced. Now what should we do? We say minus 4 over 1 plus 6 over 1. Now there's what we call reciprocal. We change the division sign to multiplication sign, but immediately the division sign changes to multiplication sign, the numbers there changes as well. The denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. So it changes immediately according to the law of reciprocal. Then your 3 goes up and your 2 comes down. Have we said it now? And now we have more than one signs here. If you want, we have minus, plus, and times. More than one signs here. Now with this, now you will be confused. Which of the signs do you tackle first? That is where BODMAS law or rule comes in. BODMAS will help you to know which of the signs to tackle first, whether the subtraction sign, addition sign, or the multiplication sign. The BODMAS will tell us what to do. Now look at the board. You have your BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now if you check here now, there's no bracket there, there's no off there, no division sign. You have multiplication sign. So we are going to multiply first. According to the law of BODMAS, you have your bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now when you look at the expression here, you see your multiplication sign there. So first of all, we have to deal with the multiplication because you have the multiplication before the addition. Now you have the multiplication sign here. Now let's deal with it first before we get to the addition. Now how do we deal with it? Now you have your minus 4, you bring it here, over 1, plus, you have your 6 times 3, 18, over 1 times 2, your 2. Let me see it now. Then addition. Now let's add. Now look at the board now. But before we do that, we need to look for the LCM of this. LCM of this. Now the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Now we're going to it. We say 2 into 1 is 2. 2 times minus 4 give us minus 8. Then you have your plus. You bring it down. So 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 18 is 18. You see it now? Now look into this place now. You say minus 8 plus 18. Look at the board. Minus 8 plus 18. Which give us our what? Our 10 divided by 2. which gives us 5 as our answer. Thank you.